protests in France against controversial security bill. The political dialogue arranged by UN has made progress and agreed on a new transitional government to oversee the run-up to election in December in Libya. President Abbas announces to hold election for Palestinian Legislative Council. In Uganda, President Yoweri Museveni has won the presidential election for 6th consecutive time. The government of Pakistan has approved purchasing of coronavirus vaccine and it will be available in March. Gunmen shoot dead 2 Afghan women judges in Kabul. Heavily armed men arrested at Washington security checkpoint. In Sudan, 48 people killed and 97 wounded in a militia attack on city of Jinina.